This is the Drok 200391 timer, and it is for general purpose timing. And you can set it to count, and then it'll turn the relay on, and it'll stay on for a certain set amount of time and shut it off, and various other settings. The settings that you can use for it are listed on the sheet that comes with it. You got P0 through P9. It has the ability to be variable timing by using a one-shot signal, either a 12 volt or a ground, and then it has your signal ground in the back. It does not come with a plug. This one right here I put in myself. It was an old thermocouple I had laying around. I robbed the connector off it, but there's 3 pins there. It has a universal asynchronous receiver transmitter connection, but there's nothing on there. There's no connector, but the holes are there if you want to hook up to it. There's not any information on the website, nor does it come with any, other than to tell you that you can set the parameters through the UART and what it is. There's only 3 pins on that: transmit, receive, and ground. As soon as you put the power to it, it starts counting. If you have it set to count without a signal, without a trigger signal. But if you use a trigger signal, then it will start counting, and once it reaches 0, it'll turn the relay on and keep it on for a set amount of time, and various different ways of doing that. It works on 6 volts to 30 volts DC, which makes it nice for working with solar, because solar has such a wide range of voltages. And we'll take a look at it here. I'll hook it up to a 12 volt battery. It also goes to sleep after it sets for a while, and draws very little amperage, which is nice for a battery operated system. And you can see this is set for P6. OP is flashing, so that's what's up on the screen here. The 4 digits are the OP count, and then CL will be the time that it will turn the relay off. This is the time that turns it on. And the timing is capable of being set from, I think it's 0.1 to 9999 minutes. And it's selectable. Full decimal points, and the timing range is 1 minute to 9,999. No decimal point. The timing range is 1 second to 9,999. The relay is capable of handling 10 amps. It is opto isolated, which makes it good for circuits that have current bounces. For instance, I'm using it to power this high current relay rated at 250 amps, and we'll be supplying an inverter that draws approximately 75 amps. This does not have a time of day clock in it, so keep that in mind. This is not good for setting for time of day. And the 4 sockets at the bottom for your positive and negative to the battery, DC voltage, and then there's 2 pins for your relay connection. And that's really about it. There is no more information on the .com, but you can get this for about $7.50 directly from Drok itself at droking.com, and whatever they call themselves is DROKING.com. And the SKU is 200391, or you can get it off Amazon for about just under $13. Other functions is auto sleep, parameter view. You can view the parameters by hitting the set button, and it can come back awake. And display data switching in the P4 to P7 mode. Short press the down button to switch to display data. There's 3 conditions. OP is the conduction time, CL is the disconnection time, and LOP is a loop time. If it's all dashes, then that stands for infinite loop. It'll keep processing infinitely. If you have a one-shot circuit of some kind, you can trigger this then to start counting. It goes up to, I think it's 12 volts, maybe it was 20, let's see here. The low level is 0 to 0.2 volts, and the high level is 3 to 24 volts. That's quite a range. That's really about it. If you have any questions, just put them down below. I'll take a look at them and see what I can do about answering them. Thank you.